Don't freak me out. Because if this thing moves, I'm gonna fucking freak.
Okay.
Oh, fucking A. Oh, fucking A.
Okay, Debbie, get it, girl.
Just
Oh my
don't
God.
scare me. Don't freak me out.
I'm not. You could do it. Don't let it run in my house, girl.
Randy.
Loretta.
Loretta.
Shh, shh, shh.
I'm trying to assess it. I'm trying to assess this. Perhaps I need to.
No, like this. No, look at me.
It's looking at me. Don't make me look at you.
No, go flat and just trap it. Flat and trap it.
It's gonna fall into the couch.
No, it's not. And hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Okay, Loretta.
Okay.
Loretta.
Okay.
I'm fucking terrified, Loretta.
Don't let it run. Don't let it run. Okay, wait. Hold on. Wait. Okay, we got it. Wait. Let me pick up the
I'm not letting go.
Debbie,
okay, you got it.
No, help me pick up the pillow.
Okay.
Pick it up with me, girl. Pick me up.
Okay.
Come on.
Wait, we gotta get the door. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you taking
Front
me?
door, girl. Front door, girl. Front door.
Front door.
Front door. Front door. Front door. Okay, unlock.
Hold it.
Unlock and open.
Hold it.
Unlock and open.
Hold it.
Unlock and open.
Hold it.
Unlock and open, my lady.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I gonna do this?
OMG. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no,
That was real good, Deb.
no problem.
Thanks. All right.
Oh my god.